Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete an announcement from a WhatsApp community. In this video, we'll walk you through the updated process, ensuring you can manage your community announcements with ease. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your WhatsApp app. You'll want to make sure you're using the latest version to access all the features we'll be discussing today. Once you're in the app, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a new tab called Communities. This is where the magic happens. Tap on this tab to access all the communities you're a part of. Now, scroll through your list of communities and select the one containing the announcement you want to delete. Remember, you'll need to be an admin to perform this action. After tapping on your chosen community, you'll see a list of groups within it. Look for the one labeled Announcements or Community Announcements. This is where all the important messages for your community members are posted. Open up this announcement group and scroll through until you find the specific announcement message you want to remove. Maybe it's outdated information, or perhaps you made a typo. Whatever the reason, we've got you covered. Here's the crucial part. Long press on the announcement message you want to delete. This will bring up a menu of options. Among these, you should see a little trash can icon. Tap on that trash icon, and you'll be presented with a choice. Select Delete for Everyone. This ensures that the announcement is removed not just for you, but for all members of your community. And there you have it. The announcement has been deleted from your WhatsApp community. It's that simple. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. So use this feature wisely to keep your community informed with the most up-to-date and relevant information. We hope this guide has been helpful. If you found value in this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful WhatsApp tips and tricks. Until next time, happy messaging.